Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Monday. First day of the week to go back to work. Robin was feeling good enough today. She actually went to work today. I'm still getting better, but not even close to 100%. Not even close. So last night we had leftover chicken tortilla soup. And today, I'm preparing vegetable beef soup. So yeah, let's get to it. Got some hardware. Got some beef. It's beef chuck. Some olive oil. Kosher salt, black pepper. Some containers of beef stock. I'll be using red onion. I'm using frozen mixed vegetables. I got some half and partial bags that I'll be using. I'm probably going to add some more frozen veggies that I have, individuals. A couple cans of diced tomatoes, some garlic, baby red potatoes, and we have some celery flake. I'll be adding some Mexican sweet basil, Mexican oregano, and whole thyme, and some Italian flat leaf parsley for garnish, a little bit of color, and a little bit of flavor. So that is what I have going on today, tonight. We'll be having this soup again tomorrow. So, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.